What's up YouTube, my name is Nejc Filipič, welcome back, and I haven't got a haircut, that's why I have hair like this. Otherwise, let's go straight forward to the video. Okay, so I discovered some great idea about Google. If you go to google.com and you type -Mars, it's actually take you to the interesting website. It can't take you to the interesting website. So basically here you can see the evaluation, which tells you how high and how low it is. But if you let's change to visible, you're gonna actually see, now that's obviously because it's 360. But yeah, it's actually, you can zoom in, check out the details. It's actually extremely good details. So I have no clue how big something is or so on. But if infrared, for some reason, if you'd like to have, it's not sure exactly how it works, but I mean, that's how Mars extremely close up. So possibly they throw the satellite. I'm not sure exactly how they created this. They have here regions and so on. Not sure exactly mountains. They have named mountains, so they already have names and so on. Well, damn, that's some advanced techniques right here. So yeah, I mean, you never know. Maybe if you type here Earth, yep, seems like it. That's the Google. You just launch it in Google. So basically, yeah, I'm not sure exactly why they're not showing these features. But you just download google.com and you type the planet name and it's gonna show you the planet name. So yeah, that's obviously loading. The Google Earth is normal as far as I remember it. Yeah, but yeah, the point was about Mars. So that's how we see Mars preview. Maybe we're gonna live there someday. But for now you can get extremely detailed shape of Mars. So hey guys, my name is Nejc Filipič and see you next time. Goodbye.